Indian Army team has won a gold medal in the Cambrian Patrol that was held in United Kingdoms. This was the exercise that was held between 13th to 15th of October. The 4-5 GR represented Indian Army in this particular exercise, the Cambrian Patrol, which is also known as the Olympics of military patrolling because this is ultimate test of human endurance and skill. The Indian Army contingent that was represented by the 4-5 Gorkha Rifles, the frontier force, they performed extremely well under harsh weather conditions, and real-time situations were painted on to check the endurance and their skill and training. The Indian Army contingent has performed well and got a gold medal, and they have won accolades from across the countries that are participating in this particular Cambrian Patrol exercise in United Kingdom. Out of 96 teams that are participating, 17 are international teams and only 3 teams have so far won the gold medal. That shows how the Indian Army is not only preparing itself for any situation along the borders, it is operationally prepared, and also it is representing the skills, the training and endurance across the nations when it comes to such exercises, and it also enhances the diplomatic relationship between the nations that perform together at same platform. So the Indian Army has once again brought home laurels with this particular gold medal in the Cambrian Patrol exercise that is considered to be one of the most difficult patrolling exercises in the world, because this has been done in the harshest weather conditions, extremely cold weather conditions, and the Indian Army troops have excellently performed and shown their skills and won the gold medal for the nation. With Vijay Parvesh, Shivani Sharma reporting for Republic from New Delhi.
DG Infantry 4 Battalion, India. Awarded gold medal.
Very proud of you. Well done. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Morning, sir.
Congratulations. Enjoy the experience.
This your yes, sir.
Come back again. Did you come back and do it again?
Anytime, sir. Even tomorrow we're ready
You're
to
up
go,
for it?
sir.
Really?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
I don't doubt you. I really don't doubt you.
Yes, sir. We have practice for it, and we can do it whenever you say.
Yeah.
I'm very sure about that. Thanks, Vinay, sir.
Well done, mate.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
He's very proud.